Good evening everyone! Hello po! Magandang gabi! Happy weekend! Andito po ako sa Cronulla Beach. The time now, what's the time now? I think it's 8:30. 8:30 in the evening. Yan po ang aking harapan. Yan. Tahimik na karagatan. Ayun po ang mga bars. Andun ang restaurant. We've been there before. We ate our dinner there. Ganda. Ang ganda ng lugar. Napapaligbutan po ng dagat. Of course, we call this one Cronulla Beach. Marami pong shark dito. Kaya, bawal maligo kapag ganitong oras. Kasi naglipanan ng mga shark. But over there, andun po ang swimming pool. Kung gusto nyo na ligtas at safe to swim, you can go there. That's a swimming pool. O, diba po, ang ganda? Tunay na pagpapala. And there's Josephine. We've been there, up there. Did you see those lights? Yun po yung mga, may ilaw na yon. Yun po ang mga bars. Andun ang restaurant. Galing kami doon kanina. We've been there before. We ate our dinner there. And, as you can see, there's too many drunk people there. Marami na pong lasing kasi weekend. You know, ang buhay sa Australia, trabaho, work. Then on Friday, it's a happy Friday for us. We can unwind and until weekend. Pero Friday and Saturday is the best time to unwind. Kasi Sunday we have to rest because on the next day, work po again. Yan ang buhay sa Australia. Work, unwind, or shopping, or eat in a fancy restaurant. It depends on you. Depende po yan sa inyo. Ngayon, okay. Ang ganda po, di ba? Ang mga bars dito, napapalibutan ng karagatan. Surrounded by water. All the bars, the restaurant here in Cronulla is surrounded by water. Ocean. Because this is an open water. Open na, how you call it? Beach? Yeah. Ayun, yung swimming pool, may nagsiswimming pa doon. Kasi it's summertime here in Australia, kaya marami nagsiswimming. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share, or if you want to subscribe, my YouTube channel, Josa Ginto. That's my YouTube channel. Don't forget to watch and like it and subscribe, please. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Have a lovely weekend and a lovely night. Good night. Love you all, family. See you again next year. God bless. Good night.